Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we got some snow coming. It is coming from Jefferson City. The snow should be here at about 6:30, and it'll be here. So when it gets a little bit worse, I'll try to go outside and broadcast it. So just like and subscribe. And we're gonna have a lot of snow coming towards Wildwood. So anybody that's in the area, make sure your water's off. Shut off your air conditioner for the winter.
So is this yours? I thought you said it was a pad for leakage. Is that yours?
Just make sure your house is safe.
Got it all for you.
Anybody that's affected from the storm, hope everybody stays safe. And we'll be broadcasting this again later tonight, so stay tuned.